what up Q, you be chillin'?
Yo man, I'm at the top of my game and rap villain.
Hey yo Q,
Yo Sam, are you ready to flip the rhythm?
no doubt, we're taking them on a lyrical expedition.
It's the wild,
energetic,
lifestyle,
kinetic,
profile,
poetic.
we get slow,
spread
to
it.
the b-boys,
The DJs,
the rappers,
NMCs,
producers worldwide,
a real record company.
I then put a Belgium on the map and fat more.
With a couple of glass acts up in the back and smash hard.
With hip hop on our side, we don't need money to live
Bring
on.
your sparks of electricity to show you who's in charge.
Voodoo on the mic, coming up hard with lyrical tactics.
When Q and I combine, it's not but infinite syllable practice.
Me and Sam will keep on rapping no matter what
We're
happens.
filled with passion, always ready to pick up a
The
challenge.
quest of everything begins with finding the right balance.
Developing towns, bouncing ideas off to
Our
companions.
days of work with more commitment than the average.
Where the back antagonists equipped to flip the script to
And
scramble
if you
it.
do want a battle, we can show you what the savage is.
I show you the meaning of language in multiple
Lyrics
languages.
injected like venom, showing you who the master is.
A verbal anaconda that gets stronger every rap he
In need
spits.
of our fix, cause we're addicted to the elements.
Some wild kids with the intelligence of
Remain
gentlemen.
rebels against the system with rappers evidence.
That every message embedded the sentences is relevant.
Independent, but all depends if you are having some fun.
It's the vibe inside of a group that decides if a track
We
bombs.
keep on going and seeking food, they're on they never ending
And
hunt.
we've dug up a lot of treasures and we've only just begun.
It's the wild,
Energetic,
lifestyle,
kinetic,
profile,
poetic,
we get slow,
spread it.
to the b-boys,
The DJs,
the rappers and
NMCs,
producers worldwide,
a real record companies. It's the wild,
energetic,
lifestyle,
kinetic,
profile.
poetic,
We get slow,
spread it.
to the b-boys,
the DJs,
the graphics,
NMCs,
producers worldwide.
real record companies. Keep it rough, raw, rugged,
rockery.
keep it following their
And
heart.
don't give in to mass appeal.
Hip hop warriors are loyal, but we simply do not need.
We defend our soil the moment it becomes a battlefield.
The way this guy's so trick or treat with dog as Halloween.
Whenever we encounter a counterproductive strategy,
What the main definition of hip hop? Peace, love, and unity.
we soon agree to spread around the universal
And having
unity.
fun with everything remains essential to me.
Hip hop died, but we had to bring it back like rental
Hip hop
movies.
fools with the crew, the fam, my family.
It's actually a group of friends with the same musical similarities.
I might give you the stage and we will go all
True
out.
performers that appreciate the love from the crowd.
GPS and directions needed, music explains the road.
Tells you where to go in life if you follow the subtle notes.
Save the soul of hip hop.
Hey yo, a new Morse code.
We already need a new
And
finesse.
some new large bros.
Some new trap
And
members.
ultramagnetic shows.
We need some boogie down
And
productions.
some DOS effects flows. Save the soul of hip hop.
A new Morse code.
We are in need of new
And
finesses.
some new large throws.
Some new tribe
And
members.
some magnetic shows.
We need some boogie down
And
productions.
some scientific flows. It's the wild,
Energetic,
lifestyle,
kinetic,
profile,
poetic,
we get slow,
spread
to
it.
the b-boys,
The DJs,
the rappers and
NMCs,
producers worldwide,
a real record companies. It's the wild,
energetic,
lifestyle,
kinetic,
profile.
poetic,
We get slow,
spread it.
to the b-boys,
the DJs,
the graphics,
NMCs,
producers worldwide.
real record companies.
Let my lyrics vibrate. They shake the earth. I let my lyrics vibrate. They shake the earth. I drop a brand new flow. Rock around in Morse code. Let my lyrics vibrate. They shake the earth. I drop a brand new flow. Rock around in Morse code. Let my lyrics vibrate. They shake the earth. I drop a brand new flow. Rock around in Morse code. Let my lyrics vibrate. They shake the earth. I drop a brand new flow. Rock around in Morse code. Let my lyrics vibrate. They shake the earth. I drop a metal together. Back streets to the street.
That is a Morse code. When bros flow, why a Morse code tactic?